Hello and welcome back to LFDC University. On this channel we talk all things passive income and digital design. Of course with full walkthrough tutorials so that you never feel left behind. If that sounds like your jam, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I post a video. In today's video we're talking about how to make digital stickers and sell them, but with a twist. From your phone and only your phone. There are so many people who only have their phone to do this whole digital selling situation, and I understand you don't want to have to buy a laptop or a PC or an iPad and all these things. You just want to get started, and you want to get started now. And to me, stickers are kind of the most fun to create on your phone, so let's start there. Okay, so I have my phone here and I'm just gonna share my screen because if I did this, that would be ridiculous. So let's be more high-tech than that and do it the right way. First things first is obviously we're just going to open Canva. That's going to be your easiest thing to do is download Canva on your phone. Canva's mobile website just works the best in my opinion. Obviously you guys know I'm a big fan of Canva. I'm a canvassador. I work to educate people like yourselves on Canva and what it can do all the time. So please download Canva if you haven't. And then we're gonna go ahead and create a canvas of 3600 by 3600 pixels. The reason for that is because depending on where you're going to sell your stickers at online, some stickers you can actually purchase online, like at Redbubble, up to like a 10 by 10 or even a 12 by 12 sticker. So we want to make sure that we are making a sticker in the size and a resolution that is going to be able to be printed well for your customer. So let's go ahead and make a canvas of 3600 by 3600 by clicking the plus sign down at the bottom. And then we're going to go with custom size, and I have a 3600 by 3600 pixel right there. So I'm just going to select it. And now we're already in here. And let's go ahead and just type in sticker and see what pops up. So we have a lot of different options to choose from, and we can't just pick one of these and then decide to sell it. But what we can do is we can pick it and then we can change it a whole bunch and create something brand new, and then we can use that for our sticker. So let's look around and see if we see something that we like here. Okay, I really like this sticker right here, the one that has only good vibes. So let's select this one and edit it up for ourselves. All right, so I'm gonna leave the background color the way that it is for now, but I'm actually probably going to save this as a PNG file with a transparent background, but leaving the background color the way it is lets me see the white of the sticker, so I'm gonna leave it. Let's go ahead and change the center. I'm just gonna delete him, so we just have to select and then select the trash can, and now he's gone. And then I think I'll get rid of this black too, get rid of that. And then let's go see what other elements that we can use. And I am going to just look around a bit and see what other elements. I'm thinking of some sort of animal. So let's see, how about an axolotl? Those are actually really popular. And we could do some sort of cute saying with that. Oh, this one's cute, but this one right here is really cute, but pretty obvious and distinguishable, and it's also a pro element, so I don't want to use that one. So let's go ahead and let's pick one and then kind of create our own version of that pro element. I like that the axolotl is holding something. I try to steer clear from pro elements when it comes to something like this because the image that I'm using is going to be the focal point of the sticker, so it's going to be really recognizable, and therefore it wouldn't be appropriate for me to sell it. I need to be able to use elements that I can transform and change and be my own element, and I wouldn't be able to change that enough within Canva to create my own element, so it's not safe to use. So I'm going to go up here to filter, and I'm going to go to the free option. That way it just makes my editing a lot easier. So let's pick one that I think I want to use, and I really do think I'm gonna I just want to be sure. Yeah, I really like this guy here. He's gonna be the cutest one, and let's just put him just like that. Oh, let's get rid of these flowers first. Get rid of these flowers and those dots. So you'll see how we just we start off with no, we didn't want you. There we go. Let's put him right in the middle there. And he's kind of boring, huh? So we need to make him a little bit more fancy and fun. So let's go and do a little bit of work in the effects. So we are going to choose a filter actually. I think, but let's just check in effects real quick and just see. No, I don't think duotone might work for us. Let's see. Change the color a bit. See if I like any of these colors. Peppermint kind of sounds like I might like it. Let's look at that. Shadows. What if we did the shadows to be pink? Okay, I like that a little bit more. All right, so now let's go to elements again and let's find a drink. I like that that one was holding a boba. Yes, that one right there. All right, and then I'm gonna go back and click that and then click free again. Done. Oh, cool, lots of different options. All right, so let's choose this one right here. That one's cute. And we're just going to shrink that down. We're gonna put that one right there. And then how about we move him up a bit? There we go. Now it's like he's actually holding it. There we go. And now let's do some sort of cute little saying. All right, let's put drink, boba, and chill a lottle. That's cute. All right, so now we have a sticker that says drink boba and chill a lottle. That's cute. So now what we're gonna do is we are just going to go ahead and share this, and we're gonna click the download button up there. It kind of looks like a share button. We're gonna hit download, and then we're gonna hit download PNG with a transparent background, okay? And we are just going to hit download. And now it's going to download to our phone. I did actually, I don't know if you noticed, but when I downloaded and I saved it, it was named something that has to do with good vibes. So we want to make sure we change that. So right up at the top here, you'll see the 3 dots. Hit the 3 dots, then we're going to click the edit and we're going to rename this. We're going to rename this Boba Tea Axolotl. There we go. Done. And then we will go ahead and download it again. Now when I go to my photos, you can see that I have it in my images, the drink boba and chill a lottle in my photos so that I can upload it to any website that I would like to. So then all we have to do now is add our sticker to our Redbubble shop or Etsy shop or whatever we have. So we are now on Redbubble and I just click on add new work, upload new work, and then I would fill out all the necessary information just like you would any other time. And then there's our little sticker. So super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit different doing something via only mobile, but it's really important to me that I try to help everybody in whatever stage they're in. And there are a lot of you out there who are only using mobile and you are not at a loss. You can make money online just like the rest of us who have a PC or an iPad or anything else. So I hope you guys are inspired. If you only have a mobile phone, get out there, get in there and start making some passive income online. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up as it's super helpful in the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.